If you are a coffee enthusiast, finding the perfect coffee maker is essential to your daily routine. The Kitchentrend 12-cup programmable coffee maker is not just another coffee machine. It's a feature-packed appliance designed to simplify your mornings and deliver consistent, delicious coffee with every brew. In this detailed review, we will explore how this coffee maker stands out in the crowded market, why it's a must-have, and how it can elevate your coffee experience at home or the office. From the moment you unbox the Kitchentrend coffee maker, its modern design captures your attention. The compact black body fits effortlessly into any kitchen space, even under cabinets, making it ideal for homes with limited counter space. The sleek, minimalistic look also complements various kitchen styles, from modern to traditional. But aesthetics aren't all this machine offers. Its swing-open brew basket is a unique feature designed for both convenience and safety. Not only does it take up less space, but it also protects users from accidental steam burns, a common hazard with conventional coffee makers. Whether you're filling the filter with your favorite coffee grounds or adjusting the settings, the user-friendly design makes every step hassle-free. What sets the Kitchentrend 12-cup coffee maker apart is its programmable 24-hour cycle, which allows you to pre-schedule your coffee brewing for any time of day. Imagine waking up to the rich aroma of freshly brewed coffee. The machine will ensure your coffee is ready right when you need it, whether it's for a bustling morning or a mid-afternoon pick-me-up. Additionally, the pause and serve functionality adds an extra layer of flexibility. If you're in a hurry and need to pour a cup while the coffee is still brewing, the machine pauses for 30 seconds, giving you a moment to pour without making a mess. It then seamlessly resumes the brewing process, ensuring you get a full pot of coffee, uninterrupted. One of the key concerns when using a coffee maker is safety. Kitchentrend addresses this with its 2-hour auto shutoff feature. After keeping your coffee warm for 2 hours, the machine automatically turns off, giving you peace of mind even if you leave the house in a rush. This feature not only ensures safety but also helps conserve energy. The removable carafe keeps your coffee warm for the entire 2 hours without compromising the flavor or aroma. So whether you're brewing for yourself or a group, everyone can enjoy a hot cup whenever they want it. Cleaning and refilling your coffee machine can sometimes be a tedious task, but not with the Kitchentrend 12-cup coffee maker. It features a removable water reservoir that makes refilling quick and easy. No more struggling to fill the tank while trying to avoid spills. The reusable filter basket means you won't need to constantly purchase disposable filters, reducing waste and saving you money in the long run. The carafe, filter basket, and funnel are all dishwasher safe, ensuring an easy cleaning process. Just pop them in the dishwasher after each use and you're ready for your next brew. However, it's important to note that the main unit of the coffee maker should not be placed in the dishwasher, as it could damage the machine. Not all coffee drinkers are the same. Some prefer a strong, bold brew, while others enjoy a more subtle flavor. The Kitchentrend coffee maker is designed to cater to different taste preferences. You can adjust the brew strength to match your desired flavor profile, whether you want a light morning pick-me-up or a robust, intense cup to fuel a long day. The 12-cup capacity ensures that you can brew enough coffee for multiple people, making it perfect for families, office break rooms, or social gatherings. And if you're brewing for just one, you can still enjoy the same rich, flavorful coffee without compromising quality. Why choose Kitchentrend? The Kitchentrend 12-cup coffee maker goes beyond the basics, offering features that make your coffee routine smoother, safer, and more enjoyable. Here's a quick recap of why this coffee maker is worth every penny. Programmable brewing. Set the timer and wake up to a fresh pot of coffee. Pause and serve. Pour a cup mid-brew without making a mess. Auto shutoff. Keeps your coffee warm for 2 hours and turns off for safety. Easy to clean. Removable parts are dishwasher safe for hassle-free maintenance. Customizable brew strength. Adjust the intensity of your coffee to suit your taste. Space-saving design. The swing-open brew basket and compact body are perfect for small kitchens. This coffee maker offers unbeatable convenience, safety, and versatility. Whether you're an early riser who needs coffee first thing in the morning, or Someone who enjoys a leisurely brew later in the day, Kitchentrend has you covered. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.